In this video we'll learn about the tree view. The screen in this example shows data from the tables country, subcountry and city. Countries and subcountries are in the tree at the left, and the cities for the selected subcountry are at the right. In the screen editor we need to create a tree on the tab Data Trees and data sources for country, subcountry and city tables. The data sources for countries and subcountries have the tree type. For the data source we need to select a tree and which field shows in the tree. Choose that this field has a tree node type of name. For the delete operation of the country data source, I'm passing the ID parameter which has to be equal to the current selected element in the tree, main tree current ID. For the subcountry data source, I choose that the tree is the main tree and that the field name shows in the tree. For data selection, I'm gonna use a filter. The ID of the country has to be equal to the ID of the current parent element in the tree, main tree parent ID, and I'm going to re-execute it when the current parent element changes. When creating a new record, I'm writing the current parent ID into the field country. And to delete a record, I'm gonna use the main tree current ID. And in the tree parent column, I set that it is the country data source. Here we have two tables for the tree data. Also, we can have one table with the reference field to a record in the same table. For example, it is used in the screen editor for the tree of the screen parts. For the city data source, I'm using the ID of the current element of the tree as the subcountry and the ID of the parent element as the country. On the View tab we need a part of the tree type for the countries and the subcountries, and a part of the table type for the cities. Let's see how it works. Well, thank you for viewing, and I hope this video has been helpful.